Hey, it's Stu. How you doing? I'm with one of our favorite customers, Sissy Biggers, who's also been a friend for 30 years right now. You might have seen her in the Aspen Food and Wine Show for 20 years, right?
Well, chances are you're going to see me here, Stu, because I think a lot of what I learned about food and wine is thanks to you and all the amazing
But you're
things.
you're like a food TV star.
Well, thank you. And it's Super Bowl week, I kind of think of it as that other holiday.
So what do we got here?
And you got to start with the guacamole. You have this central right here in the produce section where you can find everything you need for the perfect guacamole.
Right.
And you demystify it. There's no wondering whether it's right because you've broken it down by day.
You
and
got
ready
to eat me now. It feels like an orange. It's so soft to the touch. You can start making guacamole with that. And by the way, these are Mexican avocados right now, which is the best ones you can buy. Very creamy. They're from the Pacific Ocean in Mexico, just south of Baja, California.
Well, you really can tell the texture's perfect, the freshness. I've made a little crostini here, which is just one of your French baguettes from Becky's Bakery here.
Look what my sister Beth does in the bakery.
Easy, ready to
All
use.
you do is put some guacamole on it.
You say crostini, and to me that's a party.
Yeah.
Little guacamole with lime. This is just a chunk Mexican avocado with a little chipotle. For somebody who's avoiding the chips or the bread, that's another way to enjoy the avocado. But you've got it done for us too. Chunk avocado, guacamole, another secret ingredient here, Stu.
Gilroy garlic, the best you can buy. Put some onions, tomatoes, some garlic. Don't forget the jalapeno peppers and guacamole, some lime, some salt,
Or I
pepper.
can just reach for it and it's ready made.
It's all done.
Thanks to your store. Stu, which snack are you rooting for this weekend?
I'm rooting for food.
Okay.
I don't really care who wins the game, but I don't know if our chicken wings are going to win. I don't know if our stuffed loaves or flatbread pizza or this great guacamole.
Well, I think either way, it's going to be a close food game if you come to Stu Leonard's. Enjoy the game.
So long.